Hi guys and welcome back. So before we move into hyperlinks, there are certain other things I'll like to show you guys before we move over. So the first thing I'm going to be showing today is the section elements. Now we can use a section element to separate content from another content. For example, I could add a section element here here and at the end. Now I could open another section here. So let's save and see if there are any changes on our browser. So you are not really going to see anything now because of these heading elements that are actually here. But a section element is used to separate thing content from another content that gap space. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new h2 element here. Yeah, and we're going to name it like Fentech list. And we're going to close the H, Control S, and yeah, so that's for the h2 element. Now the next thing we're going to add is, well, now one thing is that when you add a lower rank heading element to a page, it is implied that you're starting a new subsection. So after this h2 element, we're going to add h3. And that h3 is going to contain courses offered by Fentech h3. Yeah, now the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an unordered list, which is the ul element. So first of all, enter ul, then we're going to shift this inside, then this will be inside the ul elements. Then we have the li elements are used to create items in a list. So this is the li element is known as the list item. So we have scratch li, we have html, We have li, we have ui stroke ux. Okay, and many more. So let's save this and view it on our page. So now this is what an unordered list looks like. This is how it appears. Now that section element, this is what it does. It creates a space. So this space like this now is what the section elements have done. This gap. Okay. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is we are going to be creating. Okay, so after this unordered list, I would like to add an image with an src attribute value. So let's go down and img is for image, src equals to um so first of all, let's come and search for a picture that we want to use. um let's just use picture of a cake. So let's wait for that to load a little. As you can see, we have various pictures of cakes, but I think I'm going to go with let's see this. So I'm going to copy this, copy link address, and come back here, come back to our code and paste it. Then I'm going to close it, and alt, which is our alternative text, as if the image doesn't appear, a text should show. So let's just say birthday cake. Forgot to add a exclamation mark, sorry, rather quotation. Yeah, so let's save and view it on our page. Okay, so due to low network, the image is not showing, but if you have high network on your own end, the image is going to show. But as you can see, our alternative text came in display, birthday cake. So even if you're not seeing the image, you know that it's a birthday cake that it's gonna show. So that's that for that. So I think we're going to be stopping here for now. So hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.